Drain Right Now services all of Clearview Township, providing residential and commercial drain cleaning services at affordable rates. We have been servicing Clearview Township for over 20 years. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for all your clogged plumbing issues. Drain Right Now has all the drain cleaning equipment necessary to remove any clog your home or business might have. A clogged drain can cause urinals, bathtubs, showers, laundry tubs, and kitchen sinks to overflow. Drain Right Now services all residential and commercial plumbing for drain clogs 24 hours a day 7 days a week. Drain Right Now takes pride in our customer service and workmanship. We want your experience to be the best from start to finish. We are here for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you have a plumbing emergency, call or text Drain Right Now at 705-309-0758.